Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can allow your friends to join your private server on Roblox. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. To do that, first of all, you have to make sure that you have created a private server for you. Then you're going to go ahead, open up your particular app, or you can access from your web browser as well. Then you're going to go ahead, go to any of the experiences or any of the games or experiences that you want to experience, where you would like to invite your friends to your server. You're going to tap on it. Then over here, you can see from these options about store, you will find the option of server. Simply scroll a bit and now you will find the server section, where if you have created your server and added, you will find it listed right over there. Then what you're going to do is, once you have found your server, you're going to tap on this three dot icon that will be available on the right side. Once you have tapped on it, you will find this option called configure private server. Then once you're there in the section, you will be able to scroll a bit and check out the option of friends allowed option. You will find the toggle, make sure you toggle that friends allowed toggle on, and now your friend will be able to join you in that server likewise. That's basically how you do it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.